So, you're up here. You're coming down. You're going to go into that loop going fast enough. So, if you look at this in terms of forces, again, when are you going to feel heaviest?
The bottom of the bottom.
Bottom. Because your body wants to move in a
Straight line.
and gravity wants to pull you down.
Yep.
So that seat, that track, has to balance out two things. It has to provide two upward forces. Overcome gravity and provide the centripetal force. So if you look at that equation, force centripetal minus Fg, so this would be the ultimate roller coaster, okay? It would be the ultimate roller coaster. If you knew the radius of that roller coaster, you could calculate the minimum velocity that it would need to complete this loop. And if you knew you could hit that exact velocity every time, you could take out that top structure. Because what would happen is that as you came in here, gravity would provide just the right amount of force to allow you to complete that loop. You would not need the top part of it. So it would be cool. You would show up and think, "Ooh, look, it's missing the top part of the roller coaster." Okay? Not an insurance company in the world would touch you though. Mainly because if you're going too fast, you'd overshoot it and you'd hit that structure. If you're going too slow, you'd get
Mangled at the bottom.
Okay? You'd get that action going.
And everyone dies.
But obviously, if you want to make that complete loop, then you want to be going fast enough so that that total force at the top is a positive number. Now, you get a completely different experience though if you ride a roller coaster over the top of it. So if you're riding it over the top of it, what does your body want to do?
Go in a straight line.
It wants to go in a straight line. So then, because riding on the inside, there's a minimum velocity that you have to have. If you're going over the outside of it, you have the track to basically catch you. So when you come over the top, there's no minimum velocity if you're going on the outside loop, because you've got the track to make up the difference. But again, you're going to feel lighter because as you come over the top of this, you want to turn into a projectile. So you have to have the harnesses there to keep you from launching yourself off the top of the coaster. So if you're on the inside, you have to be going, there's a certain minimum velocity that you have to complete that loop. If you're on the outside, you just have to be going fast enough to go over the top of it. Got it? Good, grand? Back we go. Stop you on the camera.